Did you know there's a country that experiences over 10,000 recorded earthquakes each year? Yes, that's right, a staggering 10,000 plus. Yet, the curious thing is, most of them go unnoticed. They're simply too small to be felt. This might sound like science fiction, but it's not. This is science fact. So where on Earth is this seismic hotspot, you ask? The answer might surprise you. It's not Japan, it's not New Zealand, it's the United States of America. To be exact, they occur in the region of Southern California, but